Hey, welcome back to our channel. This is going to be our attempt at making a box cake taste like a store-bought or bakery cake, because sometimes these are dry. But I have my helper here, she's over there, and she's gonna help me get everything together. And what you need to make it, I guess, to make it taste like a bakery cake is, instead of using what's on the back of here, this has 1 cup of butter. We're gonna use the 1 1/4 cups of milk, and it says 3 eggs, but I'm gonna use 4 eggs instead. And then for instead of using 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, we're gonna use butter. And I use unsalted butter because there's going to be pudding mix put in as well, and it's, you know, the cake is already sweet. So let me get everything mixed and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so now I'm going to mix everything in my mixing bowl. Go ahead, put the stuff in there. Okay, now that it's all mixed, I'm gonna spray the pan.
Get out the strawberries to it, like on the top of the garden.
Oh yeah.
Yep, after it's done.
After you fry.
It's like that whipped stuff.
Here, pull this, because I can't get those off. Now we're going to bake it in the oven like the direction says, 350 for this type of pan, 23 to 28 minutes. There you go. Y'all act like y'all are amateurs. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so Kayla's gonna take it out. We're gonna see how this looks. It's a little dark on the top. So we're gonna let it cool like usual. Then we're gonna frost it,
And decorate it.
and Kayla has to decorate it. So it's soft.
Yeah. It might
So
go back down.
yeah, so we'll let you know how it turns out. And there you have the finished product. I cut half of it. Well, I cut it in half and tasted some of it, and it tastes pretty good. So try it yourself, see if you like it. Till then, bye.